Hello, learners. Welcome back to another episode of our English Journey podcast. My name is Jassica, and I am so happy you are here.
Hi, Jessica. Hello, everyone. Great to have you with us today. If thinking in English feels difficult for you, you picked the perfect episode.
Many English learners say they always translate in their head. First, they think in their own language, then they look for the English words. It takes a long time.
Yes, sometimes the moment to speak is gone before the sentence is ready. That feels frustrating, right?
Exactly. The good news is we can change that. In this episode, we will show you how to train your brain to think directly in English without translation.
When you learn to think in English, speaking becomes easier, listening becomes faster, writing becomes more natural.
So stay with us. We have powerful and simple techniques to help you think like a fluent English speaker.
Let's start with a big question. Why is thinking in English so important?
If you translate everything, you slow your brain down. You block your fluency.
That's true. Your brain works double. First, it builds a sentence in your native language, then it tries to change it into English.
And sometimes the translation is wrong or sounds strange in English.
Right. For example, in some languages, people say, I have cold. But in English, we say, I am cold. No translation needed if your brain already thinks in English.
Thinking in English helps your brain create sentences the same way native speakers do, faster and smoother.
Also, it builds confidence. When words come out naturally, you stop worrying and start enjoying conversations.
It even improves listening. Your brain understands English faster when it is already thinking in English mode.
Movies, songs, conversations, everything becomes clearer.
Thinking in English is one skill that helps all other skills.
Now, let's talk about what stops learners from thinking in English.
First mistake, translation. Too much translation.
Yes, if you always translate, your brain never practices English thinking.
Second mistake, worrying too much about grammar. Perfect grammar is not the goal while speaking.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Third mistake, fear of making mistakes.
If you never speak or think in English because you feel scared, your brain cannot grow.
Mistake number 4, not using English enough in daily life.
Exactly. If English only happens in class, your brain will always switch back to your native language.
The good news is all of these mistakes can be fixed.
Now, the fun part, how do we train our brain to think in English?
Step 1, name things you see.
Clock, door, bottle, hands.
Quick and easy. Step 2, talk to yourself in English.
I am eating. I am walking. I am learning English.
Step 3, use an English to English dictionary. Connect English words to English meaning, not to another language.
Step 4, start with short, simple sentences, not long ones. Short thoughts become natural fast.
Step 5, create an English inner voice. Ask yourself questions in English inside your head. What should I do today? How do I feel?
Step 6, surround yourself with English. Music, videos, podcasts, books. Fill your brain with English sounds.
These steps turn translation off and fluency on.
To make progress faster, practice every day.
First exercise, start and finish your day in English. Morning, plan your day in English. Night, review your day in English.
Second, choose 30 minutes each day for English-only thinking. No translation allowed.
Third, describe actions out loud while doing them. Even 2 minutes helps.
Fourth, think in English during simple daily activities. Shopping, walking, cooking.
Fifth, keep a small English journal. Only a few sentences a day. No pressure.
These small habits create a big change over time.
Challenges come. That is normal. You might feel stuck sometimes.
If you forget a word, describe it in English. Example, the cold box for food instead of refrigerator.
Even native speakers forget words sometimes, so be patient with yourself.
Progress is slow at first, but it will happen if you continue.
Celebrate your small wins. They matter.
Thinking in English is a journey. Every step counts.
Start small. Practice daily. Mistakes are part of learning.
Tell us in the comments, which tip will you start using today?
If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, and follow our podcast for more English learning help.
Keep learning, keep growing, keep thinking in English.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.